Welcome to your How to Use Henna Hair Dye guide. Let us take you through how to apply to get the best results. Here's everything you'll need to get started. Prepare your bain-marie and break up your henna brick into the bowl. Pour on boiling water and stir until smooth. Wear old clothes and apply Ultraplant around your hairline to protect your skin from staining. Applying henna is always better with help from a friend. Pop on your gloves and make sure the hair is free of tangles. Part the hair into two and take a small section from the nape of the neck. Use your tint brush to generously apply henna to the roots, working your way up towards the front of the head. Repeat on the other side and work your way up. Once you have finished applying to the roots, scoop a generous amount of henna and apply to sections of mid-lengths and ends, smoothing into the hair. If you're using shades Venetian, Rouge or Marron, use our hair wrap to leave to develop for 2 hours. When rinsing, use circular movements around the hairline to initially lift the henna from the skin and hair. Follow this up by co-washing, shampooing and conditioning. Say hello to your freshly hennaed hair. It will feel enlivened and deeply conditioned. Time to turn heads and enjoy your new look.